We are at AWS Marketplace Seller Conference 2023. I'm Brian Westbrook with GeekWire Studios, joined now by Daniel Bernard, Chief Business Officer of CrowdStrike. First of all, welcome. What have you seen so far?
Thanks, Brian. Great to be here. So many ISVs are looking to the marketplace to grow their business. What's really exciting is all the different things AWS is doing to make it easier and faster for us to grow on Marketplace.
And one of the big things that you have is a generative AI opportunity. Tell us about that, and what are some of the challenges that you can bring with security?
Well, we're using AWS technology, specifically Bedrock, to fuel our use of generative AI and bring that to the forefront for our customers. And what we see as the opportunity is the ability to make cybersecurity much easier and faster for skill levels of all different types. So whether it's an advanced SOC analyst or a person right out of college, or that didn't even go to college, generative AI can really skill them up. All of our offerings are available on the marketplace, and what we see is more and more of our customers looking to purchase on marketplace because it's faster and they have AWS incentives to use to drive the consumption of AWS products.
How does AWS Marketplace make it easier for you to put these offerings? You said all of your offerings are out there. How does it make it easier for your customers to connect with these offerings?
Well, the marketplace itself showcases what we have to offer. The real value of the marketplace isn't just the showcasing, it's all the transaction materials and all the transaction pathing that allows the purchase to go much faster without legal negotiations, that utilizes the purchasing contract they already have with AWS, and that utilizes the AWS incentive credits that they have to spend to drive consumption of all the AWS services, whether those are native AWS services or third-party products like ours. So when it comes to securing the cloud, when it comes to securing devices, the market wants CrowdStrike and the market wants to consume it through AWS Marketplace.
And the way to do that, make it easy, put it all in one spot. We're talking a lot about AI. It's in the news. You've heard a lot about it. We've been talking about it here at this conference today. Tell us about your Charlotte AI offering and what's coming.
Well, CrowdStrike's unique. We're an AI native company, so our platform's been AI native from day one. We have our big event next week, Falcon 2023, where we're announcing a lot of exciting enhancements, improvements, and elements on Charlotte. Charlotte, the opportunity for us is to really solve the human skills gap in cybersecurity. There's this mismatch in the market. Too many cyber jobs, not enough cyber people. Charlotte becomes everybody's best friend to solve that skills gap, making really mundane tasks automated, doing higher order tasks, and even unlocking new workflows in our product. So Charlotte wraps all the capabilities of the Falcon platform together, makes it really easy for people of all types to do cybersecurity better and faster.
And how are you leveraging AWS to bring Charlotte to the market?
So the AWS Bedrock solution is really part of what the magic is behind Charlotte. So AWS and CrowdStrike, longtime partners, we built our technology, we built our platform on AWS from day one. As we've grown, certainly AWS has seen that growth. And we've also built our go-to-market around it together. So it's this virtuous relationship where we started as a startup, we built on AWS, we went to market with AWS, and today we're AWS's largest cybersecurity partner.
What are some of the challenges you've seen in working with AWS Marketplace and sort of, obviously cybersecurity is a big topic, AI is a big topic. These are things that are sometimes difficult to just wrap your head around, but you've certainly run into some challenges along the way. What have been some of those and how have you overcome them?
Well, I think the biggest challenge, and this is if you look at the marketplace holistically, the marketplace was this disruptive new platform to change how software is consumed. Wonderful, super excited. Well, in the world of how software goes to market, there's a whole ecosystem of channel partners, resellers, solution providers, services provider partners that originally weren't part of the marketplace family. And I think what AWS has done a really good job with over the last couple of years, and I'd like to say that we get some credit for helping drive the change, is creating a supply chain via marketplace that involves all these different partner types where everybody wins, everybody gets the benefits of better and faster, everybody gets the benefit of driving AWS consumption, and all the ISVs win too. So you take the marketplace, you layer in a reseller partner, everyone's on the same team and bringing that supply chain to the customer. And that's, I think, the biggest challenge, but also solution that we've seen come to bear with AWS Marketplace.
AWS Marketplace, bringing people together. That's fantastic. Thank you so much for the time. DB, Chief Business Officer of CrowdStrike. I'm Brian Westbrook, GeekWire Studios.